Java Adaptability, also known as Abstract Window Toolkit, is an API which is used to generate either GUI or window-based application systems. The Java AWT is a platform dependent. It's platform dependent, and it implies that the components use the resources of operating system. It also implies that the operating system, the components of it works according to the view of operating system. It also uses the components of the or the resources of the operating system. The java.awt provides all the classes necessary for the creation of GUI or Windows-based application systems. Some of the classes provided by java.awt are buttons, text fields, etc. Event handling. Event handling is the mechanism that controls the event and decides what should happen if an event occurs. This mechanism have the code which is known as event handler that is executed when an event occurs. Java uses the designation event model to handle the events. This model defines the standard mechanism to generate and handle the events. Let's have a brief introduction to this model. The designation event model has the key participants, source and listener. Now we are going to say about what an event is. When you press a button in your program or Android application, the state of the button changes from unclicked to clicked. The change in state of our button is called an event. Events are generated based on how you interact with the graphical user interface. For example, entering some text through keyboard, moving your cursor, etc. generate events. Next we are going to say about source. In Java, nearly everything is an object. The button you press is an object too. Source is the object which generates an event. In other words, a source is an object which undergoes state change. It also provides information about the event to the listener. We will talk about the listener in the other half of the section. Now, we know what is source and event. Let's move on to the next part, listeners. The events and the source. This is a good time to talk about the listeners. Listeners are also called as event handlers as they are the ones responsible for the handling of events occurring at the source. Listeners are the interfaces and different types of listeners are used according to the event. Thank you. Event handlers. Mouse listeners. Action event class. It is generated when a button is pressed, a list item double clicked, or a menu item is selected. Whenever an action occurs because of our action or some input we give, it is defined as action class event. The format of writing the code for the action events are string get action command. The command name, for example, when a button is pressed, an action event is generated. Command name equal to the label of the button. That is this get action command. Like this, every action in the action command, in the space of the action command, we can write different types of even especially mouse listener or button or else something whatever the event we require, we can write it here. Mouse listener. Mouse system is of 5 types and it have a frame and also a mouse event. The first type of mouse listener is mouse clicked. We write it in the form public void mouse clicked mouse event evt. Whenever an action occurs when a mouse is clicked, in that process mouse clicked is used. The second one is mouse entered. It is written in the format public void mouse entered. Whenever a mouse enters into the frame, the action occurs. In that case, we use this type of mouse listener. The third one is mouse exited. The action occurs whenever the mouse pointer is exited. Then we use the third one. The fourth one is mouse pressed. Whenever a mouse is pressed, we use the code public void mouse pressed mouse event AVT. And the last one is mouse released. Whenever a pressed mouse is released, the action occurs. We use the fifth code. The second one is mouse event class. In the subclass of input event, whenever an action, if we are pressing a button and we want the exact position where the button is pressed, we will get it through this method. For this, we use the keywords get x and get y. X and y are variables where any variable can be declared. Here is the x coordinate of the mouse of by writing the code into get x, we can the x coordinate of the mouse when the event occurs. Wherever the x coordinate of the mouse is when the event occurs, it will be stored into the variable x. And the second one is get y with the y coordinate of the mouse whenever the event is occurred. The mouse will be the occurred whenever an event occurred. The coordinate of the y coordinate of the that specific port will be saved to y. The public void mouse pressed. Whenever a mouse pressed, mouse event me, and whenever a mouse is pressed, we will assign the values. Mean the position of the values where it is pressed to the x is equal to and x and y variables, the x coordinate and y coordinates. Even if we are giving it in addition or in advance, if we are giving it, whenever we are saying that at this position whenever the mouse is just clicked, it should perform an action also, it is occurred. Now we are going through a program, and in this program we just first of all we are implementing the Java AWT and AWT event. Mouse listener example where we are extending the frame implements, and the mouse listener class is given. Two labels are opened: mouse label 1 and mouse label 2. Mouse listener example, and we are adding a mouse listener this with the current item in it. L is equal to a new label and 2 is equal to second label is one. Add 1 and 2, the two labels are added. Mouse clicked, and here from here the mouse pointers, mouse events are carrying on. In the first keyword, whenever the mouse is clicked in this one on the first label, mouse clicked is to be printed. On the second function, mouse void mouse entered, whenever a mouse entered on the first label, mouse entered should be printed. Third function, mouse exited, whenever a mouse is exited from the frame, it should print mouse exited. Public void mouse pressed mouse event, that is whenever a pressing is occurs, we are giving the x coordinate and y coordinates there, and the label is set x and set x, the position of the mouse is given, and also the mouse pressed is printed in the first frame, and also in the second frame the coordinate of the mouse is given. In the given in index in the e.getx and e.getY, we are getting the x coordinate and y coordinates of the values, and the last function is also done here. Public void mouse list, whenever mouse is list on the level 1, mouse list is printed. Class mouse example, and of course, yes, we this all will be only implemented when with the mouse listener example 1 is equal to new, and the mouse listener, the class is get size and get visible, set visible, get size, set size and set we should set the size of the frame, and also set visible is equal to true. Only when we do these two things, the program will be shown in our program.